Lots of times we have these really big libraries of data where we just want to focus on a specific piece of the data. So let's say I have this data frame and I'm only interested in some columns like name and city. If I want to, I can create a subset of that data frame, right? I can go new df equals, and I give the data frame, and I tell it I want a subset, and that subset is name and let's say age. Why not? So I want the new data frame to include only the name and the age. And let's print that df out. Print new data frame. And then I run that, and you can see same number of records, different columns. So I'm saying I only want this and this. That's my new data frame. So it's really easy to say, let's keep only what we want to use. And I can do the same thing with the columns, right? And in this case, the new data frame says, let's keep only the rows where the age is greater than 35. So if I wanted to filter the data by only certain characteristics, or I could say where state equals California, if I wanted to focus only on people in California in that data set. So I can do a lot of really easy manipulation in that way and clean up the data. The other thing I can do, the